What's up, guys? Help us reach our goal of 500 subs by hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, like, comment, and share.
Alright guys, so got the part to fix the welder and we're gonna fix it. Continue on Project TJ. What's up guys? Welcome to the other episode. I don't even know what episode this is now, like 3?
I think this is 3.
Episode 3 of Project TJ. We got the welder fixed, and we're about to weld some more parts on this bad boy. So let's go ahead and get started. If you guys want to catch up on the first other episodes, make sure you click right about here somewhere in this region. Maybe. Don't click anywhere in this region, but click up here somewhere, and you can catch up on it all. Alright, we're about to tack some of these parts on. Now before we put the 4-link brackets on, we're going to fill in and weld this top plate on, like here and here and down here. Jamie's about to do that now. Alright, now he's got all the keyholes for the top plate welded in and grinded down smooth. So now we put the control arm mounts on. You can see, guys, with the keys, you really can't mess it up too much. Can only go one way.
Can we slide it out a little?
Damn, that bitch is hot.
It is.
Is that where you want it?
Go back to where you need it.
That's where I need it.
Okay, so you're good.
Not how big is the gap in the middle?
That's decent.
Alright, you got your eyes?
Yeah, you're good. Alright, Jamie's got the brackets burned in there. We're about to put the tubing in and go ahead and burn it in too. Here we go.
That look good and center to you?
Yeah, we're also putting the zerk fitting on the front because we went and looked and we can access that pretty easily from the TJ. Alright, so Jamie grinded up and smoothed out the corners here because this bracket right here didn't really want to sit on there flush. It was kind of hanging up. So it's pretty close now. We're going to clean that side up and we're going to clean it up to weld it, and then we're going to try to beat it on here the rest of the way, and I think it's going to work out pretty well. So very important, guys, start with this side because this is the side that you're going to match the other side angle to.
And what is this side?
What side is this?
The driver's side.
The driver's side.
So start with the left.
Yep.
Just like how we read, left to right.
And you see it kind of just sits, it's on the square, so it really can't go but one way. So once you get that one in, burned it in, find your angle on it and make sure that the passenger side is the same angle. And we'll show you that in a little bit. Right now we're going to try to beat this down a little bit, get it flat, and then we're going to weld it.
It's pretty much flat. I might have to pull it back up and it's going to touch here, so I want to weld it there.
Alright, so after we grind it down a little bit, it slid on there perfect. It really can't go nowhere but right here. So let's burn it in.
Good?
Yep. Alright, so Jamie's got this one welded in, and now we're going to use an angle finder and find the angle on it so we can set the passenger side. Alright, so we got this angle finder from Harbor Freight for like a few bucks, and now we're going to find the angle on this and make sure that it's the same as when we put the perch on this one. Alright, so we had to cut that little key thing because it was keeping it off from where it was. Also make sure that when you find your angle that it's facing the same way when you look at it, you know what I mean?
So 5 was our mark?
Dead on 5 was our mark.
Directly on 5.
Sweet. Alright, well, it's all tacked in. Time for the next part. Alright guys, let's weld this bad boy up.
The juice
You want it all the way back, or what do you want? Get it where you want it and I'll level it out.
like right there. That's pushed up against that. Can you put your thumb on the bottom and kind of push that way?
That's
Just
right.
towards the tire. All right. Yeah. Now we're flat against that steel.
Okay, hit it.
Oh shit.
You got your eyes?
Yeah.
All right. That should have locked this down too. Yep. All right. Do we want to get this one leveled out?
Yeah. You want to finish welding that one, or?
Well, if I did that, I could pretty much weld everything, I think.
Okay. Oh, I'm spinning around. Okay, you put it wherever you want it.
Oh shit. Hold on. I've got all that damn shit from that magnet. Alright, can you do like I did on the other one and kind of hold your thumb out with it? Like, yeah, like
push,
that.
But do you want it pushed that way or this
I
way?
want it towards this tire.
Move it again. Here, I'll get a level for you.
Should be level.
Alright, hit it.
Nice level?
Yep.
Alright.
Alright, so we used an old shock to get our distance where we need to weld this plate right here.
You know what? I think I almost should. Yeah, that bitch is wiggling. I think I need to lock that down first.
And move it.
I got it. All right.
Now we need to do this again on the other side. Make sure you do this before you do the lower control arm brackets, because you won't be able to get to these. Good thing we thought of that, because we don't have instructions, remember? So if two idiots, like I said before, if two idiots like us can do this, anybody can do this. Alright. Well, the pile that we started with today is slowly but surely turning smaller. So we got an old track bar we're going to use to make sure that we keep the same distance all the way down for this track bar bracket. Alright, so we got it rigged up, as you can see, and my bad guys, as you can see there, about to tack it in. Pull it, squeeze it tight, I guess.
I got it.
Got it?
Yeah, it feels good and tight.
Good and tight. Alright, so while we're waiting on the track bar bracket to cool, we are going to weld on the buckets. Get it.
Get it.
Alright. Got it on the edge, and it's right there where the spring stop is. So, about to tack it in place. Alright, so we got both buckets on. Now Jamie's putting the track bar bracket on.
I don't know, this bitch is still way the fuck off the...
Having some issues. Alright, so with a grinder, Jamie persuaded it to line up, and our problem is averted. But he had to grind down like right here would fit snugly on the axle tube, and now it's flush. Alright guys, you can see you got the sway bar mounts welded on along with the track bar bracket. The only thing left is the lower control arm brackets, but we are running out of daylight, and that's it for this episode. So make sure you subscribe. Once again, click in right here if you want to catch up on the rest of Project TJ. Go check out those playlists. We'll see you on the next one.
But wait, there's more.
Alright guys, so we had some rain, but as you can see, it's another day. And it's sunny. So we got the lower control arm bracket, and we got it pulled off of the spring perch about an 1/16 of an inch. Well, that's a little bit more, but as you can see.
Alright, now, there
you go. And we're going to tack them in place.
You good?
Yep, cover your eyes. The final piece to the puzzle.
Alright. Looks
All right,
pretty good.
Yep, it kind of just fits right where it can only really go right there. So let's do the other side.
We gotta pull the cot a little closer.
Pulling the cart.
Need to build that off-road cart.
Yeah, this cart's not the best. But it gets the job done.
Alright, about a 16th and a 16th. You good?
Yep, go ahead and burn it in. Cover your eyes, guys. Alright, that's better. Up. Okay. So we got that tacked in. We're gonna burn these in, and then we'll probably sand it down a little bit and paint it and catch back up with you guys. Alright guys, you can see Jamie got the lower control arm brackets completely welded in. Slapped some paint on it. And it looks pretty good. I like it. So tune in next week when we try to get this underneath the truck.
Pinocho.